The Student Kit is a coding and electronics hands-on program designed for homeschooling. It includes step-by-step lessons and complete guidance. It includes all the components, hardware, and software needed for one person. Access to online platform and take your first steps in the world of electronics and inventions. 9 step-by-step lessons are available following a linear way with up to 25 hours of learning time covering basic concepts of electricity, safety in class, schematics, writing code, controlling a circuit, coding concepts, controlling a servo motor, among other interesting topics. In the beginning of each lesson, students will learn new vocabulary that later will be reinforced through the lessons. Educators, at the same time, have access to exclusive tips and information that help the lesson go smoothly. The students will learn about concepts of electricity and programming together with different types of invention, getting a broader view and historical insights. The content also comes with 2 open-ended projects, a greenhouse and holiday light. Open-ended projects provide freedom for students to apply previously learned concepts in a fun and hands-on way by allowing them to decide how to present the project individually. Finally, the Student Kit provides the students with a resources section where they can find interesting and extra information that will allow them to have a more comprehensive experience. As a way to practice what they learn, the kit comes with a logbook with exercises. The student can annotate their exercises, observation, and experiments. The logbook comes with solutions so students can reflect on their answers alone or together with educators. At Arduino Education, we want to help educators and students to have the best remote learning experience. This is why the Student Kit comes with projects and lessons that can be used at home as if the students would be using it in class. To learn more, visit our remote learning platform.